You should might walk them down because you're going to get snagged. Get them out of that log, Dan. Walk them down. Oh, dude, get up here. You can do it. Oh, he's snagged, I think, Dan.
No.
Yeah, I think, yeah, he's got a foul hook. Shit.
Hello there. Headed for the log.
Yeah. Here, Dan, don't pull him in. Whoa. He's a little spring. I think he's a little spring, a little jack.
Oh, a little jack.
Where the hell did he go? Come here, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, calm down. Shit, can't see the hook. There we go.
This is the spot, huh?
Go, swim away.
Go. Going the wrong way.
Where are you going?
Onto my hook.
Get the hell out of there.
Did you make a nice area there?
What?
You guys are a spring, eh?
He is. He is a spring.
And that was the first cast out since you got back.
Yeah. Okay, you want this one?
Sure, I'll take them.
Oh man, I think we're gonna have to do some walking here.
Oh yeah.
Here.
That's all right.
You got him?
Yeah.
Hold the rod tip up.
Yep. Got him.
You got him? Okay, Dan. Here we go. The drag is on fairly loose,
Is that?
so I don't know whether you're reeling in or what, but you don't want to crank it.
No.
Oh, hold on. That should be good.
Oh, we're taking line. Taking line. Uh-oh.
What?
Trees up there.
Yeah, well, you're going to have to do something, Dan. You either hold them in here, or let them go out, something. Because you're coming up to this tree. If he makes a run for it. Oh, he's a nice spring, Dan. He's a beauty. He's going out there. Dan, don't try to hold him if he wants to go, because remember, I got a real small hook on there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he'll just straighten the hook if you try to hold him. But you're doing good. He's getting tired. He's starting to wallow around. Where is he? Oh, I see him. Okay. Okay, you're getting them. You're getting... Huh? Yeah, he's tiring. You gonna pull him in, Don? Okay. No, I'll shut up. You do what you want. He's right in the mouth, so he's a good hook.
He's still fighting.
Oh yeah. Oh, he just rolled over, so he's getting tired.
Me too.
Just keep that rod tip up, man.
Yeah.
I don't see him. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is a perfect spot to bring him in, Dan. Yeah, you're getting them.
Okay, he's gonna come in now.
Well, don't force him. He's still swimming around. You might want to tighten the drag a tiny bit, Dan. Not too much, though.
Which way do you turn that drag? Towards me?
No, that way, outward.
Clockwise?
Outward.
Oh yeah. Oh, he slacked right off.
Well, don't let it slack. Here, let me tighten the drag. You're not doing anything. He's just hunking. You got to be able to pull him in. Let's see. That should be better. Okay, try that.
Okay.
He's a nice fish, Dan. He's not giving up.
Hey?
He's not giving up.
No.
I think it probably proves how fresh a fish he is. Oh yeah, he's a pretty big ass boy. Nice fish. Okay. I think he's almost ready.
Bring him in?
Well, no, he's still... Yeah, I think you can pull him in now, Dan.
Okay, coming in.
Oh. Good job, Danny. Here, hold your fish. Hold them up for me so I can get a picture of it.
Okay.
Got it?
Oh,
hold them sideways. Beautiful, Danny boy. All right, man. Okay, put him down. Oh, wait. Let me get the...
yeah. Oh, good hook, eh?
Shit. I don't... Oh. Yeah, where's the...
Beautiful.
Put him down. I'll just whack him.
Look at the size of that sucker.
Yeah, he's a beaut.
Oh.
Yeah, he's going to go close to 30, Dan.
Yeah.
That's a good one, man. Good
shit.
job.
And a left-handed hook. Or a reel.
Yeah.
Don't break the back.
No, I'm just...
You want pliers?
I got pliers. It's just that the line is cut right into his gill.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Now I got it.
Wrapped around.
Yeah.
I got the pliers here.
That's okay. There we go. Okay.
And not that small hook.
Here, let me just wash my hands.
Yeah.
Oh.
That is unbelievable.
See, Dan, I think the important thing is, you know, using these small hooks. I think all they see is the frickin' wool. You use a big frickin' hook. I think they see the frickin' hook.
But what size, what lead line? What weight?
15-pound test.
No.
Yeah. So, you know, you're using a combination of both.
Yeah.
Okay. Pick up your monster. Pick up Moby Dick.
Holy shit, I can't even carry him. Oh.
There he is. I got all that on